A certain buffer has a pH of 6.85. The weak acid used to make this buffer, HA, has a pKa of 7.10. Which of the below best describes the relationship between the concentrations of the acid and the base? So if we use the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, pH equals pKa plus the log of the base concentration over the acid concentration. We're told that the pH is 6.85 and the pKa is 7.10. Okay, so we can already say that the pH is less than the pKa, which eliminates A and C. Now we have to determine which of these concentrations will be larger relatively. So do you see how the pKa is greater? That means this term has to be negative in order to decrease it to 6.85. And the log of a number that is less than 1 is negative. The way to get a number less than 1 is to have the acid concentration greater. Just think of if I have 2 divided by 10, I get 0.2, that's a number less than 1. That will result in a negative when I take the log, and will decrease the right side of this equation closer to 6.85. So the acid concentration in this case has to be larger than the base concentration because the pH is less than the pKa. So that's answer choice B.